Good morning. My name's Deborah Schmucker. I'm one of the factory representatives for the Luxe Fifth Wheels and Toy Haulers. We're out here this morning getting ready to head down to Tampa in the next few days, but I wanted to show you one of the coaches that we have that is an inventory coach that is available. It's a 47 FB toy hauler. You can see it's the standard two-color paint. It does have the vanity slide in it, so when we go inside you're going to see that it has more room, walk space between the bed and the vanity when we go up into the bedroom. It has the Gen Y pin box. It has, of course, the generator, the 4 AGM batteries. The outside is pretty much standard for our company. We're going to go inside. You do have two awnings. You have the main awning in the front. You have another one over the back entry door into the garage area. You can see our leveling system. We're going to go on inside and take a look at this coach. So we're inside the 47 FB that we just showed you on the outside. This particular one does have some options that I want to show you in it. It has soft touch walls. It has the milkweed colored soft touch walls, which is an option on a toy hauler. It has the entrance to the loft only being on this side. The other side has cabinetry. I'll show that to you when we go into the garage area. You have the televator in place of the cabinet with the swing out television that has storage. So this gives you two more windows on this side of the coach. Gives you a very open feel for this side and a lot more light into your coach. So this one has the televator, which is an option. Also, we have the flip up counter, which is really beneficial in a toy hauler to give you more counter space. So it's substantial, it's very strong, it's large, gives you a lot more counter space here. On the 47 FB, what it's really known for is the amount of living space that we have in it. So you can see we have a nice large living space. The living room has a love seat on one side, theater seating on the other, your booth dinette. You could also do a buffet there if you wanted to have a buffet in style dining instead of the booth. You have your full pantry here, so you have a lot of storage. Adjustable shelves on the top, drawers on the bottom. You can also split this if you want to get more counter space on this side. This particular one we left as standard. You have, of course, our drawers, which are one of my favorite things in our coaches, which are all solid wood, dovetailed, sanded, sealed. They are wood on the bottom. Our mechanisms for our slides go on the bottom of the drawer, which is very unique in the industry, not on the side, which you can see gives you full width of the drawer, so we don't lose width of our drawer space. So all of them are soft closed drawers, soft closed doors. Everywhere that you get a drawer in a coach, they will be of that same quality. They will always be all four sides, solid, thick wood, wood bottom, glides under the bottom. You have residential tile in the back. This one has a 24-inch residential range, insignia range. So you can see you have plenty of room on the inside for baking, double shelves. So it's not the old RV style where the heating element was right underneath your tray where you would set your stuff to bake. This one does not have a dishwasher, so you have extra storage here, which some people prefer. So there's different things we can do here. You could have a bank of drawers if you wanted. You can have the cabinet, which is standard with the drawer on top, or you can put the dishwasher in. Storage here with silverware drawer. You can store the tile or the sink covers underneath. This one does have the large single bowl rectangle composite sink. So a lot of people love this because the reason they like to have the single bowl is they can actually put a dishpan down here and a small drainer on the other side to do dishes if they're just doing a few. If they have, though, which a lot of people do when they camp, large griddles and things that they've used outside, you have plenty of space to still be able to wash them. This composite has a temperature will take up to over 500 degrees. It resists scratching. You don't get the scratches that you do in stainless. So this is an option that you can get in a double bowl style or a single bowl. And then when you put the covers back on it, Again, you have a lot of counter space to work with here. You have your coffee nook, is what I call it. It could be for your toaster. It can be anything that you want to set there that you want to be able to keep out. We have an outlet on the side for it. You have more storage up here to use. We have on occasions had people that brought this all the way down for extra storage in a special build. That could be done, optioned. The microwave is a convection microwave. So a lot of people who don't want to have ovens will option out this oven and just do an electric cooktop with storage underneath, because this is a convection. So you have a really nice sized kitchen. You can see I have a lot of space here to be able to move back and forth, can walk around it easily. You got a lot of workspace if you want it. You can put this down if you don't want it. So it's very versatile. Of course, we have the 21 cubic foot residential refrigerator with the bottom freezer. We're going to walk upstairs. So on the 47 FB, the 46, 47, and 48 are actually all the same length, exterior lengths. They are different layouts as far as the floor plans. So the 47 is known for the amount of living space that it has. That's one thing that a lot of times has to be given up when you want a toy hauler. So we have a nice living space. This one does have the hall bath. So you enter the bathroom from the hall. You have a nice sized sink, the swoop sink. This one has the residential shower in it with the teak seat. It has the sliding door for entry, so you don't have any door swinging out from the bathroom in the hallway. Then you walk into the bedroom, and as I was showing you outside, this is the vanity slide. So when we do a vanity slide, it has cabinets underneath that have shelving for storage. And the reason, you can do drawers if you wanted to. The reason we don't do it by standard is this is a shallower space, and by the time we build our drawers with the thick walls, the drawers are very shallow this way. But it can be done if you'd prefer drawers. You do have the permanent shelves. There is a mechanism under here that runs this slide, so it's just one shelf in this one. The other thing that this does when you get the vanity slide is it takes you to a bigger television in the bedroom. So instead of having the pull-out TV like the standard bedroom would have, it has the larger TV mounted on the wall. You have the king-size bed, nightstands with the doors on both sides. The ASA panels have been added to this coach as well instead of toggle switches, which would be standard. You always have the in-command center, which you can also run from your phone, but we also added the ASA panel, touch panels to this coach. Then this gives you the full walk-in closet. So this one has been prepped to have the washer and dryer in it in the front closet. So you would have the washer on this side, dryer on this side. Then you would have hanging space on the top to hang stuff in the closet. Or you can make these dressers if you wanted dressers in them. There's a lot of different things we can do with this full walk-in closet as well. And you do still have the large storage under the bed to be able to carry things as well. So that shows you the living space of a 47 FB with the full walk-in closet and the vanity slide. We're going to go downstairs, go out into the garage.
I'm ready.
All right. So we're in the garage. We're going to give you a little bit different perspective because we did put down the steps, which in the back of this one has the step aboves, which are down, that go clear down to the ground. We also put down the ramp door just so you could see. These are the veranda doors, so you can see them well. You do have a dovetail right here that slopes down. These are the veranda doors that you have the plexiglass on, or you can have screens on. And then this part right here that you see is the patio as it's folded up. But we did this to give you some light in here so you could see it and also get a really good shot of the veranda doors. Most people that do the patios on the back prefer to have those, and they're really nice to work with and slide very easily and swing out for you to load. The space in this garage is 12 feet. Now we do have a half bath in this garage. So the half bath on this one is what they call rotated. So it is going along the front of the wall. So it's going along the vapor wall of the coach instead of along, the standard would go along this wall. So we rotated the half bath, nice size half bath with sink, toilet in it. because a lot of people will use this not only to haul, but they're going to use it as another bedroom, or they're going to use it as space to sit, or space so that people don't have to be in the living part of their coach. So we do have the rubber diamond plate on the floor, and if you notice, our walls are different in this one because these are the standard wallboard walls, and you can have soft touch back here if you want it. If you're not hauling anything, a lot of people will do that. But if you're hauling stuff, most people prefer to keep this the wallboard and just use a soft touch up front. We don't have the access to the loft in the back of this one. The access is only from the front, from the living area. They wanted that to have extra cabinet storage on the top. You also have the 2 beds. So you have the ones on top that are the sofas that come down, and then above that is a bed. We're going to bring that down in just a minute. These are your control panels in the back for your hookups for TVs, your stereo. So you have 12 feet from the back to the very ramp door. The patio doors coming in, the veranda doors coming in takes about 8 inches of length off of your garage. And then this also takes, so from this wall to the veranda doors is 114 inches, just so you know, on this particular coach. We can always get you measurements when you're trying to decide if you can haul the stuff you want, which way the bathroom should go to work for you. So we'll be glad to help you with that. If you have any questions, please let us know. And this is the 47FB. If you have interest with the nice living space in it and the access bathroom from the hallway, please give us a call. Ask for one of our factory reps. We'll be glad to help you.